Hello everyone, welcome back to another session by K21 Academy. Today our expert will be talking about Agile Manifesto. So let's get into the video.
This is your manifesto. What has happened, as I mentioned to you, based on the problems from the waterfall approach, all the 17 developers have met in the Snowbird Resort in the year 2001 and they have framed this Agile Manifesto. So I will explain to you like what are the things which are being present inside this Agile Manifesto. So before that, see these 17 developers here. These are the 17 developers who have actually formed a group and they have come up with an alternative competing with the waterfall approach so that this agile can be really flexible and it can be beneficial for the further development. And that's the reason why right now the organizations are getting benefited because of these 17 developers who have taken the initiative to design this agile manifesto in the year 2001. And it's also been available in multiple languages. It's up to you like in what language you want to download. As English is a common language, I mean it's a standard one, so I want to ensure that I would cover it in English in our course because our course of medium is actually English. So but if you are interested in any of the languages, even in that language also, you can download your entire Agile Manifesto and you can go through it. Okay, so these are the values. Agile Manifesto comprises values and principles. Okay, there are 4 values and then there are 12 principles. Individual interactions is given a prime importance rather than processes and tools, because individual interaction is something like where we will be able to get a lot of information when we connect with them, when we try to talk with them, when we interact with them, right? We will be getting a lot of information from them rather than focusing on processes and tools. That's what is the first value which the Agile Manifesto is trying to say us. The second one, what it is trying to say is focus more on the working software rather than comprehensive documentation. Don't focus on lot of documentation. Focus more on the working software. That means focus more on the application rather than focusing a lot of time on the comprehensive documentation. So the second value says very clearly, always your focus should be on the working software rather than on the comprehensive documentation. Okay, and the third one says every time your collaboration should be so high that everyone should feel satisfied. So your customer collaboration should be very much high when compared to your contract negotiation. So your contract negotiation should be having a less priority when compared to your customer collaboration. You should continuously collaborate with your customer while getting their feedback and trying to implement the changes so that they should feel very secure, very trustworthy, and they should feel very happy. So customer delightment or customer satisfaction is very important over here rather than your contract negotiation. So customer collaboration is also a very key aspect which you need to. Your customer collaboration is very important when you consider apart from your contract negotiation. And the final one here is you need to respond to change, okay, over following a plan. So whenever a change comes, you should always respond to it quickly rather than following a plan. So you should not go with a predefined process. Whenever if the plan changes, you should respond to change very quickly and you should adapt to the situation. So these are the 4 values which are being highlighted. The principles I'll try to cover it tomorrow, but these are the core values which you need to consider when you talk about the Agile Manifesto. See, it's been mentioned that is, while there is value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. So the values on the left is given more importance, like individual interactions, working software, customer collaboration, responding to change. These are given high preference when compared to the other things which are on the right hand side. So individual interactions is very important in order to know a lot of information. Working software is another important thing which is required for us to understand the prototype. Customer collaboration to satisfy the customer, and responding to change, that means being flexible. Whenever if we want to change anything or if we want to adapt anything, then we should always respond to change very quickly rather than following a plan like your waterfall approach. This is how the 17 developers have come up with the 4 values, and along with this there are also principles.
So, guys, this was our expert from Team K21 Academy. And if in case you missed upon any concept, or if you want to dive deeper into the concepts discussed, then we have something really, really, really special for you. We have our free class on how you can upgrade from a beginner to professional Scrum Master and earn way, way more. So if you want to register for this free class, all you want to do is just log on to k21academy.com/scrum02, and after that you'll be seeing this kind of interface. You just have to click on register now. And just to mention, in this class, you'll be learning about the whole introduction and a holistic overview of Agile and Scrum, why you should be learning. You'll be getting some Scrum artifacts. You'll be getting to know about some Scrum events. You'll be getting to know about some amazing job opportunities as well. So if you want to register, just click on register now, and you can select your event date according to your availability, add your name, your email address, your phone number, and click on yes, save my seat. And after that, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. And on the extreme right, you'll be seeing this link. So you just save that link, add it to your calendars, and I'll see you in the free class. Till then, keep learning.